Assalamualaikum. Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here with a very interesting job offers. So the offer is from SBI, that is State Bank of India. State Bank of India has offered the various vacancies to the various states of India. SBI is conducting these recruitment drives to fulfill the total of 3,850 vacancies, and the post is circle based officer, that is CBO. Eligible candidate can apply this online through the official website till 6th August 2020. And the rules of this is SBI as an officer are required to register online after carefully reading the advertisement regarding the selection process, eligibility criteria, online registration process, the prescribed application process, insurance of call letters, and etc. Thus fulfill the stipulated criteria and follow the prescription process. Qualification is graduation in any discipline from a university or any equivalent qualified recognized by the central government. Age limit is below the 13 age as per 1/8/2020. Selection process is with the shortlist or interviews. Application, how to apply, I'll tell you. Application should be submitted only once by the candidate. If you apply multi applications, then the last of your application will be retained. Application fees for SC, ST, PWD categories, no fees. For general EWS, OBC categories, there is 750 rupees. State-wise vacancies: Gujarat 750, Karnataka 750, Madhya Pradesh 296, Chhattisgarh 104, Tamil Nadu 550, Telangana 550, Rajasthan 300, Maharashtra excluding Mumbai 517, Goa 33. Now I'll show you how to apply the applications through online.
So here we go to the Google Chrome and type sbi.co.in. Then this will open. There will be three options, that is customer, careers, Hindi. For select careers. After that, this page will open. Then select latest announcements. To select here, there will be this requirement of circle based officer. In this there will be download advertisement. Click on that. English. So here there will be three pages. Go through all this. There will be in detail. Then go back and select apply online. Then this will open. Go through all this important events and dates. Read it carefully. After that there will be two buttons, that is login if already registered and click to new register. Then you have to type to click to new register. After you type this, you will get all this. You have to fill this carefully. After that you have to give the register button. Before that there will be some details, calling based details in the qualification, upload, previous payment. You have to go through all that. After that you have to go login if already registered. But there will be login, register number, password, security. They will send you an email if you have already registered it. So go take that and type in this. So this is how you complete to apply your application.
So friends, I think this vacancy has helped you. If yes, press the like button, subscribe my channel and share this YouTube link. If you want more videos, press the bell icon.